Welcome back to Aegis Armors. My name is Frank, and today we're taking a walk around in this beautiful 2012 Camaro RS. As you'll be able to see in the picture-in-picture, this thing was heavily marred and scratched when it came in. We were not able to remove 100% of the scratching, but we did get it where the customer almost thought it was repainted. Here's another picture-in-picture so you can see exactly what the before and after looked like. It's amazing what you can do with paint correction and polishing. So after washing and surface decontamination, we take measurements of the paint thickness, and then we do test panels, as you can see here, with the lines divided between each one, using different compounds and pads. What the goal is here is to remove the least amount of clear coat and get the most perfection we can. Here's a quick clip going across from the fender across the hood on the vehicle. This is after the washing and the surface decontamination was done. You can see there's a lot of water spotting and haziness along with the micro swirling. Luckily, like I said, we were able to remove a good portion of that to the point where it definitely looked like a fresh paint job.